Today, we're starting with the first step in video editing, how to create a new project and get familiar with the KineMaster interface. When you open KineMaster, you'll land on the home screen. From here, you can access your saved projects or start a brand new one. Let's tap on Create New Project. First, type in a project name. This helps keep your edits organized. Next, choose your aspect ratio. This is the shape of your video. 16:9 horizontal works best for YouTube or TV screens. 9:16 vertical is ideal for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. You can also select 1:1 for square posts or 4:5 for Instagram feed videos. There's also an advanced tab, but we'll explore that in detail later. For now, let's keep it simple. Once you're ready, hit the create button and you'll be taken to the editing screen. Now, let's quickly explore the interface so you know where everything is. Right in the middle, you'll notice the preview window. This is where you'll see your video playback as you edit. At the bottom, we have the timeline. This is the most important part of editing, where you'll arrange your video clips, audio transitions, and effects. Now, look to the right side of your screen. You'll see the circular toolbar. This is where you can add media, layers like text or stickers, audio tracks, or even record a voiceover directly inside KineMaster. On the left side, you'll find quick controls like undo, redo, and project settings, super handy while editing. And finally, at the top, you'll see the export or share button along with project details. That's where you'll go once your edit is ready to save. And that's a quick tour of creating a project and understanding the KineMaster interface. Once you're comfortable with this, editing will feel much easier. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more KineMaster editing tips.